Have you ever stopped to wonder why some people are left-handed while the vast majority are right-handed? Could it be a quirk of genetics, an accident of birth, or something more profound? Throughout history, left-handers have been viewed with curiosity, sometimes even suspicion. Some cultures considered left-handedness a sign of creativity, while others saw it as an omen of bad luck. But what does modern science say about handedness? Is it determined before birth? Does it affect intelligence, personality, or even career choices? Stay with us as we explore the fascinating world of left-handedness and right-handedness, diving into cutting-edge neuroscience, genetics, and the everyday challenges and advantages that come with using one hand over the other. By the way, if you are interested in science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new information. Now let's dive into today's topic. Approximately 90% of the world's population is right-handed, leaving only about 10% as left-handers. This ratio has remained remarkably stable throughout history. But why? A groundbreaking study from the University of Oxford suggests that handedness is influenced by a mix of genetic and environmental factors rather than purely inherited traits. The LRRTM1 gene has been linked to left-handedness, but it doesn't tell the whole story. From an evolutionary standpoint, right-handed dominance may have emerged due to early humans' need for coordination in tool use in combat. The University of Montpellier in France conducted research showing that right-handedness provided advantages in social cooperation and survival strategies, such as forming hunting techniques or using weapons in battle. However, left-handedness has persisted, suggesting it may offer certain advantages, particularly in competitive or unpredictable situations. And where's the brain in all this? The structure of the brain plays a crucial role in determining hand preference. The left hemisphere of the brain generally controls the right side of the body and vice versa. For most right-handers, the left hemisphere is also dominant for language processing. However, research from Ruhr University in Germany found that left-handed individuals tend to have a more symmetrical brain organization, allowing for more fluid cross-hemisphere communication. This has led some scientists to suggest that left-handedness could enhance creative thinking and adaptability. Additionally, research from the University of California, Berkeley, indicates that left-handed people tend to have a higher capacity for quick decision-making and adaptability, particularly in dynamic environments. This advantage can be observed in fast-paced sports like tennis, baseball, and boxing, where left-handed players often outperform their right-handed counterparts due to their unique spatial awareness and reaction times. Its effects on daily life. Being left-handed in a predominantly right-handed world comes with challenges. Many everyday tools, from scissors to can openers and computer mice, are designed for right-handed users, leading to subtle but persistent inconveniences for left-handers. This phenomenon, sometimes referred to as right-handed privilege, extends beyond physical tools to include writing techniques, musical instruments, and even classroom seating arrangements. Interestingly, handedness may also affect cognitive processing and emotional responses. A study from the University of Oxford found that left-handed individuals may be more prone to anxiety due to heightened activity in the right hemisphere, which governs emotional regulation. Furthermore, left-handers have been found to process information more holistically rather than sequentially, allowing them to see patterns and connections that others might miss. Handedness may also play a role in professional aptitude. A study from Harvard University found that left-handers are disproportionately represented in artistic and creative professions, such as music, writing, and design. This could be linked to their more balanced brain hemisphere usage, allowing for increased flexibility in problem-solving and imaginative thinking. Conversely, some research suggests that left-handers are slightly underrepresented in business and financial sectors. The University of Edinburgh found that left-handers, while excelling in spatial reasoning and creativity, may struggle with linear, structured problem-solving, skills that are often highly valued in finance and management. However, this does not mean left-handers cannot succeed in these fields, as adaptability plays a significant role in individual success. Left-handedness and intelligence. Myth or reality? The idea that left-handed people are more intelligent is a common belief, but is there any truth to it? While intelligence itself is not determined by handedness, there are some cognitive differences. A large-scale study from the University of Athens found that left-handed individuals tend to perform better on tests of divergent thinking, a key component of creativity. This means they may excel at generating unique solutions to complex problems. Further research from the University of Edinburgh suggests that left-handed individuals may have a slight advantage in mathematical reasoning and spatial awareness, potentially due to their more flexible neural connections between brain hemispheres. However, intelligence is influenced by many factors, and handedness alone is not a predictor of intellectual ability. Conclusion: handedness is far more than just a preference for writing with one hand over the other. It's a complex interplay of genetics, brain development, and environmental influences. While right-handers make up the majority, left-handers have consistently demonstrated unique strengths throughout history, whether in creativity, sports, or problem-solving. The differences between left-handed and right-handed people go beyond mere convenience or tradition. They shape the way we think, learn, and interact with the world. So next time you see someone writing with their left hand, remember, handedness is a remarkable reflection of human evolution, neuroscience, and the diversity of the human mind. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more eye-opening content. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next scientific research topic.